Hey, and welcome back to the 3-Minute Node. Last time, we focused on photorealism. Today, we're leveraging our 3D blueprint to generate a world of cyberpunk architecture. This style demands structural precision, making ControlNet Canny absolutely critical. To capture the hyper-detailed, illustrative look of a futuristic cityscape, we're swapping our checkpoint to Magic Mix Fantasy 3.0. And crucially, our entire workflow uses only default, built-in nodes in ComfyUI. We are not using any custom nodes to achieve this pro-level result. This keeps the setup fast, stable, and easy to share. The process starts with structure. I'm modeling basic shapes in Figuro and Blender, focusing on stacked geometric blocks and aggressive angles. We need a dense, complex structure, so the final screenshot for our Canny input must have clear, sharp lines. Finally, we take a screenshot of this clean, wireframe-like render. Unlike Scribble's loose interpretation, Canny requires sharp, clear edges, and a basic 3D model gives us that perfect, unambiguous structural line work. Let's plug in our prompt, aiming for a dense, neon-lit cityscape that uses the simple 3D model to define a major piece of architecture. The standard K-sampler run without ControlNet generates a cyberpunk style, but the structure is pure randomness. It does not have the specific composition we designed in 3D. Now, the shortcut. We preprocess our blueprint into a Canny map and apply it using the Apply ControlNet node. We are telling Magic Mix Fantasy 3.0, use your highly detailed concept art style, but strictly follow the overall structure of this Canny map. We run the sampler again. The ControlNet held the structural integrity perfectly, while the Magic Mix model infused the dense network of exposed piping, metallic vents, and brilliant neon reflections. Now for the pro touch, rapid variation. For a dramatic change, we slightly lower the ControlNet strength parameter. This tells the model to mostly follow the Canny map, but allows it a bit more creative freedom in filling out the secondary details. The result is a more atmospheric, integrated look, keeping the core blueprint, but infusing more of the model's artistic flair. Lastly, we change the seed in our K-sampler. Running it again with the same prompt and Canny map, but a new seed, gives us a completely different lighting scheme, color palette, and reflection quality while maintaining the exact structure. That's the 3-minute node shortcut to creating professional-grade, structurally perfect concept art using ControlNet Canny and free 3D modeling tools. This proves Canny is the fastest way to structure any detailed concept. Stop watching, start creating. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.